What if I told you the very first El Camino ever built wasn't just a car or a truck, but a bold gamble that rewrote automotive history? Before muscle cars ruled the streets, before restomods became a thing, Chevrolet dropped this in 1959, and everything changed. Stay with me, because this El Camino isn't just rare, it's the one that started it all. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel. What you're looking at right now isn't just a car, it's a moment in American automotive history frozen in steel, chrome, and attitude. This is the 1959 Chevrolet El Camino, the very first year of a nameplate that rewrote the rulebook and dared to ask a bold question. What happens when you blend the comfort and style of a full-size passenger car with the utility of a pickup truck? Chevrolet answered that question in 1959, and the result was something so unique, so forward-thinking that more than 6 decades later, people still stop, stare, and smile when one rolls by. Picture America in the late 1950s. Highways were expanding, optimism was everywhere, and cars weren't just transportation. They were rolling expressions of success, freedom, and personality. Chevrolet was in a heated battle with Ford, and when Ford introduced the Ranchero in 1957, Chevy didn't just respond. They waited, refined the idea, and then came out swinging. The 1959 El Camino arrived longer, wider, lower, and undeniably bolder than anything else on the road. It was built on the full-size Chevrolet platform, sharing DNA with the Impala and Bel Air, and it wore that heritage proudly. This particular 1959 Chevrolet El Camino represents the model at its absolute best. Finished in a stunning two-tone turquoise and white, it captures the unmistakable late 50s aesthetic that defined an era. The paint isn't just shiny, it's deep, rich, and carefully laid down to highlight every dramatic line Chevrolet designers dreamed up. Those sweeping fins, the sculpted rear quarters, the wide chrome accents. This is styling from a time when subtlety took a backseat to confidence. Refurbished chrome and trim wrap the car like jewelry, reflecting light and drawing your eyes to every curve. Step inside and you're greeted by a retrimmed factory-style interior that perfectly balances authenticity and refinement. This is how the car would have felt when it first rolled off the showroom floor, only better. The materials, the colors, the attention to detail all speak to a restoration that respected the car's history while making it enjoyable for modern driving. You don't feel like you're sitting in a museum piece. You feel like you're sitting in something meant to be driven, cruised, and enjoyed. Under the hood is where the story gets even more serious. Power comes from a 3048 cubic inch Chevrolet DW Series V8, officially known as the Turbo Thrust 3048. This engine is often casually referred to as a big block, but enthusiasts know better. The 348 belongs to the legendary W Series, a unique and short-lived engine family that paved the way for Chevrolet's later performance dominance. In its day, the 348 was a monster, torquey, reliable, and perfectly suited to move a full-size vehicle with authority. The sound alone is worth the price of admission, especially when paired with the custom twin exhaust system fitted to this car. It doesn't scream for attention, it commands respect. Backing up that iconic V8 is a turbo hydromatic 350 automatic transmission. While not factory original to 1959, it's one of the smartest upgrades you can make if you actually want to drive and enjoy a classic like this. Smooth shifts, proven durability, and modern reliability transform the El Camino into something you can confidently take on long cruises, highway trips, or weekend events without worry. The factory differential has also been upgraded with a 3.08 ratio center, striking a perfect balance between relaxed cruising and responsive acceleration. And this is where this El Camino truly separates itself from average restorations. This isn't just about looking good parked, it's about driving confidence. 4-wheel power disc brakes bring modern stopping power to a classic platform, making the car feel far more composed in today's traffic. Upgraded factory air conditioning keeps things comfortable no matter the weather, a luxury that turns summer drives from endurance tests into pure enjoyment. Sitting underneath are 17-inch American Racing torque thrust wheels, a timeless design that complements the car's lines without overpowering them. They give the El Camino a subtle, muscular stance that feels just right. Practicality hasn't been forgotten either. The custom hard lid over the bed adds both style and usability, transforming the rear into a secure, clean storage area while preserving the car's sleek profile. A tow bar expands its versatility even further, reminding you that at its core, before, the El Camino was always about doing more than one thing well. What makes this example even more special is its documented journey. Originally sourced from California, the car made its way to Australia in 2005, a testament to the global appeal of American classics. Between 2011 and 2012, it underwent a comprehensive restoration and upgrade by DJ Classic Restorations in Malaga, Western Australia. This wasn't a rush job or a cosmetic refresh. It was a thoughtful, detailed process carried out by professionals who understood what this car deserved. Since then, it's been driven, shown, and continuously refined, not hidden away, but enjoyed as intended. A large documentation file backs up the work, adding confidence and credibility for any serious enthusiast or collector. The truth is, finding a 1959 Chevrolet El Camino in this condition is no easy task. Many of these vehicles lived hard lives. They were used as workhorses, modified poorly, or simply worn out over decades of use. Survivors are rare. Properly restored examples are rare still, and ones that combine visual authenticity with tasteful, functional upgrades like this are the kind of cars that stop people mid-sentence at shows and draw crowds wherever they go. This El Camino represents more than metal and mechanics. It represents an idea, a time when car companies took risks, when design was bold, and when vehicles were built to make you feel something every time you turned the key. Whether you're a lifelong Chevrolet enthusiast, a classic car collector, or someone who simply appreciates great design and engineering, the 1959 El Camino speaks a universal language. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about presence. It's about rolling up to a cruise night and knowing you're driving something truly special. It's about the rumble of a W Series V8, the view over that long hood, and the knowledge that you're piloting the very first chapter of an automotive legend. If you appreciate rare classics, high-quality restorations, and cars with real stories behind them, you already know why this matters. And if this is your first time seeing a 1959 Chevrolet El Camino in this light, welcome. You're officially in on the secret. What's up, everyone? Subscribe my channel, because we've got more icons, more stories, and more unforgettable machines coming your way.